Why cough happens inside your body. A cough is the body's natural defense mechanism that protects sensitive airways from harmful particles and irritants. When the throat or lungs become irritated, the body automatically triggers the coughing reflex to clear airways. Dust, smoke, and pollution enter airways and trigger coughing by irritating sensitive respiratory tissues inside the body. Viruses and bacteria cause infections that inflame airways and commonly lead to persistent coughing during illness periods. An excess mucus buildup blocks airways, forcing the body to cough and clear breathing passages for proper airflow. Dry cough usually occurs due to allergies, irritation, or inflammation without mucus production inside the respiratory tract. Wet cough indicates infection, where thick mucus accumulates inside lungs and airways, causing congestion, breathing difficulty symptoms. Cough droplets spread through air, carrying germs that can infect nearby people easily during close contact situations. Coughing helps the body remove harmful particles, mucus, and irritants from respiratory passages to restore normal breathing. Therefore, cough acts as both a symptom of illness and a vital protective response for human survival.